Today I'm going to show you how to create a test with me on the object. This is so easy. Okay, let's open Photoshop. I'm trying to put text on this photo. Okay, press Ctrl J to make a copy of the layer. Then select the any selection tool and click the select subject. After a few seconds, subject is selected. Now click on the mask icon to make a mask. Then the background layer is selected and select the text tool. Write a word like so. Okay, select the move tool and press Ctrl T to resize the text. I will put it like this. There you go. Let's move forward. Go to the test layer and double click on the right side. Then see the color overlay style and choose a color. Okay, it's done. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy of the layer. Just drag it and drop it on top. Double click on the right side there too. After, uncheck the color overlay style and go to the blending option and remove the fill opacity completely. Then select the stroke style and choose the color of the text. Size is 5. Done. Hold the Alt key and click here. The effect will only apply to the layer below. Now hold the Control key and select the test layer. Then click the link button below. You can now change the position of the test like this. Okay, try it now. Then hope to meet again. I will sign out. Have a good day.